everyone. Today we are in front of Resalat Islamic Center, and I have some news for you, for especially Finnish people. This center, Islamic Resalat Center in Mellunmäki, it's involved in political activity. Though it claims that it's a religious center, but they are involved in the political activity. I have some evidence for you here. Here you see the mullah of this place, Abbas Bahmanpur, with the photo of his supreme leader Khamenei and Khomeini. The same people, Khamenei and Khomeini, caused that over 7 million Iranians had to leave the country and become refugee. And the imam of this center preached to his audiences with the photo of Khamenei and Khomeini. We don't know where this photo has been taken. He claims that it has been in a kind of private meeting that the organizer wanted this photo to be, and he has been there. We don't know where. And it's interesting who is in Finland that is so loving Ayatollah Khamenei. But I'm wondering, if they love Khamenei and Khomeini so much, what they are doing in Finland? Why the hell they don't go back to live under Islamic Sharia government? I am sure Abbas Bahmanpur, the imam of this place, will have a very luxury life if he go and live in Iran. If not, why he's preaching to people with the photo of Khamenei and Khomeini? These two figures, they are involved in destroying human rights in Iran and doing crime against humanity. And Imam of Resalat is preaching somewhere to his people. Then, here, it's an announcement from Islamic Republic of Iran Embassy in Helsinki that they announced for a death of Qasem Soleimani. There is a ceremony organized in this place, Resalat Islamic Center. The Imam and the event photo you can see, it's been promoted by Embassy of Islamic regime in Helsinki. By the way, you know who was Qasem Soleimani? Qasem Soleimani was a terrorist, and he was eliminated. Good that he was eliminated. He was eliminated by President Trump some years ago, and after that, in Resalat, they are praising Soleimani's. And Islamic Republic Embassy in Helsinki promote the event. So yes, this is about this place. Finnish people, this place is a dangerous political involved. Don't let your country become like what is happening in Sweden, in Germany a few days ago, or some hours ago. Unfortunately, all the time there is some terrorist attacks happening. And you know, this terrorism has its root with Ayatollah Khomeini and Ayatollah Khamenei. So think twice. When you have a public place, is a place for Islamic political activity underground perhaps, what will be the situation of Finland in the future? Finnish people, use your voice and demand from authorities for the closing of this place. Then I have another photo here. Another political activity of the imam of this center here. And the photo is from inside the mosque, from their social media. Again, they have been praising this Qasem Soleimani, the terrorist figure. And you know, the more scary part is yet to come. I have here a photo who is behind this place. Actually, this person, this figure is more important related to this center. His name is Majid Bahmanpur, and this photo is from a TV show in satellite of Islamic regime inside Iran. And this figure, Majid Bahmanpur, he confessed in the video. Video is available online in YouTube. He confessed himself that this place, Resalat Center, has been established by the support of Islamic regime embassy in Helsinki. Here you see a bigger with details that he appears in the video in a public program, public video, and he confessed this. And now still is coming more news. Look at this photo. The guy you see, this imam, he is a visiting imam. He has been a visiting imam, as Islamic Center itself claimed. For several years he has been coming to Finland, visiting this center as a imam of Islamic Republic here. And you know what he did? He abused a woman with her child on the street, grabbing her mobile, and then fled to Iran. You know what was final answer for that lady who was attacked and harassed by this ugly man who had fled already to Iran? They couldn't catch it because he has already gone